Yo, what's up guys? It's Steve here again. Just a quick, simple video on how to use this second screen feature on the Samsung tablet and other Samsung devices. Some of you have been asking, so first off, I do appreciate everyone who subscribed. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. But basically what you're doing is you're going to your settings on your tablet, and from there you're going to select the second screen option. Here it's waiting for the screen to be projected from your other device. How you're going to be doing that: going into your other device, most likely your Samsung phone, you're going to go to Smart View, and from there you're going to select the tablet that shows up after you had already gone into the second screen option on your tablet. I hope this makes sense and nice and easy for you. Just a quick tip for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to throw it in the notes on the comment section. Once again, if you like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks again, and hope you guys have a great day.